Hello guys, this is Kudo, and today in this video I will show you how you can make a drawer menu that will work with any device. So let's get into it. So welcome back to this second part of this tutorial about the drawer menu, and in this part we'll basically do all the code to our drawer menu work. So let's get into it. So now you understand this, we can head back to Unity, to Visual Studio, and in the start function, let's give the value of the border start. So border start should be equal to parent canvas rect transform dot size size delta dot x. So basically, what I'm saying here, it's the border start should be equal to the parent rect transform size delta. So I will get the size x of the canvas. So right now, if I go on debug menu, as you can see, the size delta is 1080. But if I switch and I make another simulator, so maybe the iPad Pro, and let's put it on the portrait, as you can see, the size delta is 1246. So this is why I need to get the size delta of this canvas. So let's head back to the game and let's head back to Visual Studio. So after that, what I need to do is to take the drawer menu, the drawer rect transform dot offset min. So I will explain it just after. So the offset min should be equal to, so let's take a new vector 2 of minus border start, so border start, and in your y-axis I will put 0. And what we want to do after this, we need to have the size of the drawer, of our drawer. So what we want to do is to say drawer rect transform dot size delta should be equal again to new vector 2 of, and this is very important, or it's up to you, but it's basically until when the drawer should, the size of the drawer. So basically what I'm doing here is just put 0.85 f multiply by the border start of 0. Okay, so let me explain it to you. So basically, let's head back to Unity. So basically, the drawer menu, so basically you're in normal mode. So if I go on debug menu, as you can see, the size delta is 800. But what we need to do is, again, if I head back to Visual Studio, the offset min should change. So we need to put the drawer menu, as I told you, to be like this. So the start of the drawer menu should be before the canvas. Okay, and this is why we need to change the offset, and this is why too we change the anchor position, remember. So if I go on normal here, as you can see, the pivot of our drawer should be here, because if I change right now the pivot, so 0.5, as you can see, the position of x of our drawer is changing too. So this is why I put 0. So okay, so now you understand this. So again, let's put x on 0 and let's head back to Visual Studio. So after put a number and get the transform, so let's create a coroutine. So let's create an enumerator. So enumerator slide drawer menu, and we want this coroutine to have some parameters. So let's put float for the speeding of our sliding. So, and what we need to put is another is a boolean. So let's say bool is going right. So you can put is going left, but I use is going right because for me it's the basic movement of the slider. So let's open this, and let's put yield right now, yield return null. Okay. So first thing we need to create is the vector2. So let's create a vector2 and let's name it pose to go. So basically this vector will tell us where the drawer should go. So this one will be equal. So right now we'll use a ternary statement. Ternary operator is the same. If you don't know what is it, I recommend it to you my video. So we'll say is going right. If is going right equal to true, we want to go to vector2 dot 0. Else, what we want to do is new vector2 of minus border start and in y0. So basically this line, what this line says, so if I head back to Unity, so again the basic position of our drawer menu should be like this. So if I'm going right, I need to this drawer menu on position X to go on the 0, like this. So it should be at 0. And if we are going left, so we are not going right, we need to head back to our basic position, like this. So this is why I'm saying this. So let's head back to Unity and let's do a while. So while draw rect transform a different to pose to go. What we want to do, very easy, we just want to do draw.rect transform. So draw rect transform dot offset min will be equal to, vector2 dot move toward. So we want to going from another point, so we want to go so draw a rect transform dot offset min. We want to go to the pose to go, and we want to go at the speed multiply by time dot delta time. So time dot delta time. Okay, and I forget here to put dot offset min. And something very, very important, because we are using the stretch anchor, we need to fix the drawer menu, because this will not work if you don't fix the position of our drawer menu. So this is why in the coroutine we need to put the drawer rect transform dot size delta should be equal to the new vector2 of this. Okay. Okay, so basically what I can do, let's create another vector2. So let's create a vector2 and let's call this basic size drawer. Okay, and let's say the basic size of the drawer should be equal to this, like this. Okay, and like that, because like this we don't need to always create a new vector. It will be very nicer and more optimized. Don't forget to put the yield return inside the function. And last thing we need to do is just to call our event. So what we need to do is just to say start coroutine. So start coroutine of slider draw menu. We put in parameters a speed, so let's put a speed of 600 f. And on the bool, what we want to do maybe is going right, so let's put true. Okay, so let's save this and let's head back to Unity. Let's go on the draw a parent. Let's add the script, so draw a event. Let's drag and drop some of the serialize field, so the object, so the Canva, and the draw rect transform, so this one. Let's save everything and let's hit play and let's see the magic happen. And that's it. So what we can add is something like this to put an infinite start coroutine. So what we can do is start coroutine. So let's create a start coroutine. Let's use this, and instead of putting true, we just put something like this. So the opposite of this boolean. So let's save this and let's hit play, and as you can see right now it's working and it's going back. It's going and it's going back. So if I switch the device, so maybe I will use another simulator, maybe I will use an iPad, and let's put it on portrait. So let's hit play. So as you can see right now, if I going on the draw menu, right now the width is 1060. So let's exit the play mode, and again let's change another. Maybe let's put an iPhone 8 Plus. And right now the drawer menu, remember on the iPhone, on the Apple, it was 1060, I think, if I remember well. And now let's hit play. And as you can see, the drawer menu is resizing. So this is why the drawer menu will always be resized for all the different devices. So that's it, guys. It was the tutorial about the drawer menu. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. So if content equal to like or user learned something equal to true, user should thumb up plus subscribe. Else, user should dislike but help me to improve. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys next time.